Satco Halogen Bulb. The Satco halogen bulb, manufactured by Broan-NuTone, is a high-quality lighting solution that offers excellent brightness and durability. With its halogen light type, this bulb provides a clear and vibrant illumination, making it suitable for various applications. One notable feature of the Satco halogen bulb is its dimmable capability. This allows users to adjust the brightness according to their preferences, creating the desired ambiance for any space. Whether it's for a cozy living room or a professional office setting, this bulb offers versatility in terms of lighting options. With a wattage of 13 watts, this bulb delivers a sufficient amount of light while ensuring energy efficiency. The lower wattage not only saves electricity, but also contributes to reducing environmental impact. This makes the Satco halogen bulb an eco-friendly choice for those who are conscious of their carbon footprint. The bulb shape size of T4 adds to its appeal, as it fits well for any space. Whether it's for a cozy living room or a professional office setting, this bulb offers